Hello and welcome to the video series powered by Saraswati repository. My name is vishal.majithia and in today's video I'm going to show you how to detect a web application firewall using a Wafw00f tool. Wafw00f tool is an open source code available in the Git repository. Here I'll be using Parrot Linux in order to demonstrate the Wafw00f application. You can use Kali Linux, Ubuntu, depend on your taste. So this is my Parrot Linux that I have installed in my virtual machine. Make sure your system is connected with the internet. To use the Wafw00f tool, open up the terminal and make sure you have a Git and Python installed. Here I have the Git is already installed in my system, as well as Python 3 is also installed in my system, as you can see here. If you have not installed the Git and Python, the command to install the Python and Git is apt-get install git and add apt-get install Python 3. I have already installed Git and Python in my system, so no need to install. Open up the browser. So we will be searching the code of the GitHub, code of Wafw00f and a GitHub. Type Wafw00f GitHub. So enable security Wafw00f is a tool, as you can see here. Click on that. So as you can see here, the enable the Wafw00f code and the GitHub. What you need to do here is just click on the code, copy this link, and type git clone, paste the URL. So it will clone the repository or system. You can check it by typing ls. As you can see here, the Wafw00f directory has been created in my system. What I will do, I will just navigate to the folder cd Wafw00f, and as you can see here, the Python, the setup.py is a installation file of Wafw00f. If you want to install the Wafw00f tool in your system, you need to give the executable permission to this file. Let us check the permission of this file. So currently there is only read-write permissions. So what we will be doing here, we will be giving the executable permission in order to execute this file and install the setup. So now we'll verify the permission of this file. We have given the executable permission. As you can see, the executable permission has been granted to this file. So what we'll do here is we'll be installing this file using command python 3 setup.py and install. So it is getting installed in my system. It will take a little time. There is an error, can't create or remove file in install directory permissions. So let me use the sudo command in order to install this. Python 3 setup.py install. So now it has been successfully installed in my system, as you can see here. So what I will do is, let me close the browser here. In order to run the Wafw00f tool, you need to type Wafw00f and space. As you can see, we have not specified any target, so it will show you the error. This is the web application firewall fingerprinting tool kit Wafw00f. Let us check the help if they have mentioned. So as you can see, These are the switches of the Wafw tool. You can specify the input arguments and the Wafw commands in order to debug, in order to detect the web application firewall. So there is a switch named -L. It will list all the Wafw database firewalls. Let us do that. Wafw. So here's the list of all the web application firewall that the Wafw can detect. As you can see, there is a list of large, almost covered all the web application firewall. So it's a very powerful tool to use to detect the web application firewall. It has almost covered all the web application firewall, I think so. And also, so what we'll be doing here, we'll be using the Wafw tool to detect the web application firewall. We'll be targeting my website saraswatirepository.com in order to check the response. So the command is wafw and the target is https saraswati repository.com. So as you can see, it is sending the request to the saraswati-repository.com and it has detected Cloudflare web application firewall, and the result is actually correct because I have deployed Cloudflare web application firewall in my website in order to prevent it from the attacks like SQL injection and etc. SQL injection, cross-site scripting, etc. So you can target any of the website. Make sure that this video is only for the educational purpose. Don't exploit any organization for this. So this is how you can detect a web application firewall using a Wafw tool. As we have seen that it contains a large database of web application firewall. Depending on the response of the website, it detects and analyzes the web application firewalls, which web application solution or which web application firewall solution has been deployed on the website for preventing. It's part of reconnaissance, and it is part of information gathering. So this is how we can detect a web application firewall of a target website. So I hope this was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching this video.